Hello and welcome to Explorers Holiday Showcase. I'm your host, Carrie Lipper-Gillespie, and today we are here at Premier Printing and I'm joined by Lindsay Rasmussen. Thank you so much for being here, Lindsay.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yes, so we are standing in front of this big contraption that you guys have, and this is how you press your t-shirts, which is a big thing that you do, but a lot of people don't know you do a lot more than t-shirts.
Yeah, we do. We do, decals, we do wrap signs, just a lot of custom stuff that people wouldn't think that we would do. A lot of people think we just do brochures, business cards, that kind of thing.
Which you do.
Yes, which we do. Not knocking those. We do plenty of them, but we do a lot of custom things too. So if you ever stop in and visit us, you can see we have a lot of samples and projects up in our lobby.
Yeah, you do. You also do photography and canvases.
Yeah, canvases.
So anything like that, you guys do a great job with that.
Yeah, canvases actually this time of year, actually like this week and next week, we get a lot of requests for last minute shoppers that wait to the last minute, like me. We do them all in-house. We build a nice heavy frame and we wrap them all in-house, and just takes a couple days and we can get them done.
So speaking of the last minute shoppers, there is still time.
Yes.
You're last minute, but there's still time, right? So
Yes.
if people have last minute gifts that they want printed, they still have time to come in and make that order.
Yes, never fear. Custom t-shirts, usually about a week. Canvases, calendars this time of year. Everybody likes to get their, I know I get my grandma one every year with all the custom photos on it. Just a couple days and we can help you out.
Cool. And it is so easy as well to order because you guys have a brand new website.
Yes.
That is very functional, and you have a new chat service on it that helps people if they have questions. Tell us something about the website.
Yeah, so we had a pretty old website, nothing too crazy on it. We just invested some time. We have an instant chat feature on there that we like to use. And you know, if you're one of the people that just need to ask a quick question or need to place an order really quick and you don't want to pick up the phone or call anybody and you're just really into texting, that's a great feature for you. You can just bypass all the extra stuff and go right to the website.
Yeah, just making it easier for people to shop and see what they can get from all the services you have. This big contraption that I mentioned before, it is actually really cool how you guys go about making a shirt. And it is a process. You have a decal that you place on there, and then you put some ink on it and you smooth it down, and then it's got a heater it goes through. So this big contraption is kind of where the magic happens. And then we have a heater over here. So what has been one of your favorite things to work on here in the shop, whether it's a project or just a piece of equipment you enjoy working with?
Well, apparel is my favorite thing to do. But one thing that we started to get more into is the vinyl. You have this Grinch behind you here. We're gonna have a little fun with it this holiday season. We're doing a life-size cutout. We're gonna trim it out and then have a little fun around the office with it. So
love it.
That's something fun we do.
What other kind of vinyl products are there out there that you guys work with? Signs?
Yep.
And then the decals, and then also the car wrapping as well.
Yeah,
correct?
The car wrapping.
That's gotta be fun to do.
That is fun. And it's nice because we have a garage that we can do it in. Obviously, you don't want to do any outdoor vinyl this time of year. It's too cold. But if you have a vehicle that you're looking to have done, either a half wrap or a full wrap, we have a heated garage. We can still do it over the winter season.
Cool. Yeah. Talk to us some about the value of shopping local. You guys are a really big part of this community in that you take part in a lot. Like I know you're at the MAPS fundraisers. I know you donate t-shirts and other things for community-wide events. And I think that's really important when it comes to shopping local.
Yeah, we like to get involved when we can. I mean, you know, everybody's really busy, but you know, if people reach out to us, we usually get involved in some way or another. You know, we appreciate people shopping local in a small business. So we try to do the same and help out when we can.
Thank you so much for joining us for this Explorer Holiday Showcase. Make sure you head to Premier Printing for all of your printing needs. I'll see you next time.